Identifying mismatches between 2A and 2B data can be confusing. With multiple types of discrepancies, it becomes difficult to understand the exact issue and take the right action. KDK Software simplifies this by providing a centralized conflict summary with detailed classification of mismatches. To begin, click on Conflict Summary to view all reconciliation discrepancies. Next, click on In 2A but not in 2B to open detailed conflict information. You can also click on the Help icon to understand the reconciliation logic and steps. Now, go to the ITC Eligibility Conflict tab to review eligibility-related mismatches. Next, click on the RCM Conflict tab to analyze reverse charge discrepancies. Then click on the POS Conflict tab to check place of supply-related differences. You can also switch to the In 2A Not In 2B tab to review detailed invoice level conflicts. Once reviewed, click on Close to exit the conflict window. This helps users quickly identify different types of mismatches, understand the root cause, and take corrective action faster, ensuring better reconciliation accuracy, improved ITC control, and reduced compliance risks.